guys! Welcome back to Mona's Kitchen. Today's video, we're gonna make the trending Dubai chocolate. Have you guys tried it? If you haven't tried it yet, watch this video.
The ingredients that we will need are 300 grams of dark chocolate, shredded Phyllo pastry, 200 grams of pistachio spread, and 100 grams of white chocolate. To start, melt the white chocolate chips in the microwave, and once melted, spread it onto the silicone chocolate mold. You can use a spoon to spread it all over, or you can also use an icing bag. Repeat the procedure with the other silicone mold. Then, pop this in the fridge to chill. Now, cut about a quarter of the shredded Phyllo pastry, which is about 100 grams. And break them into smaller pieces. By the way, we don't have to cook this because I got this already toasted. My husband bought this from a baker shop near us. And once already broken into pieces, add in the pistachio spread. And mix them together until well combined. And now, set this aside. Next, we're gonna chop the dark chocolate into smaller pieces, so it will be easier and quicker to melt in the microwave. By the way, just pop this in the microwave for about 10 seconds at a time until it has completely melted. Once it has completely melted, scoop a bit of the dark chocolate and spread it onto the silicone mold, and spread it thinly using a spoon. Do the same with the other mold. And once done, pop this in the fridge to chill. And once it has hardened, fill it with the Phyllo pastry pistachio filling and cover it with the melted chocolate. By the way, you can use an icing bag so it will be less mess. And once done, pop them again in the fridge to chill. And once it's already hard, unmold the chocolate from the silicone mold. And here's our finished product! Look at that! They look so pretty! By the way, you can also use food coloring if you want more colorful chocolate, or you can also decorate it with gold dust. Now, we're gonna break it to see the inside. Look at that!
Moment of truth! It's so delicious! You should try it, guys! And crunchy as well. Before I forget, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! So Isaac, if you're gonna rate the chocolate from 1 to 10, What will it be?
Brother.
You like it? Yummy? Yummy?